happened. Kukar, abhorrent, appalling, atrocious, awful. Antonym, beautiful, delightful, fortunate, pleasant. The dreaded news came that Joe had been wounded. Emphasize as a verb. Give special importance or value to something in speaking or writing. Accentuate, affirm, assert, highlight. Deny, lose, mumble, depreciate. He emphasized how important it was to health. Insurgent is a noun, a person who rises in active revolt, typically against an established government or authority. Rebel, revolutionary, mutineer, guerrilla. Loyalist, patriot, supporter, advocate. The government struggled to suppress the insurgent forces in the northern region. Anonymity is a noun, the condition of being anonymous. Obscurity, silence, oblivion, nowhere. Antonym, reputation, fame, notoriety, celebrity. They are trying to protect their child's anonymity. Concerned, an adjective, worried, troubled, and or anxious about something. Worried, anxious, troubled, distressed. Concerned, ceasefire, indifferent, untroubled. She was concerned about the safety of her children. Appeasing as a verb, the act of giving the opposing side in an argument or war an advantage that they have demanded in order to prevent further disagreement. Shanti. Mitigation, moderation, decrease, mollification. Antonym, discomfort, unrest, suffering, torture. If that is not appeasement, I would like to know what you call it. Abolish as a verb, formally put an end to a system, practice, or institution. समाप्त करना, broken, demolished, devastated, revised. Antonym, fixed, repaired, sober, successful. He is in favor of abolishing the death penalty. Resentment as a noun, a feeling of anger or displeasure about someone or something unfair. Bitterness, grued, hostility, indignation. Contentment, satisfaction, goodwill, forgiveness. She felt deep resentment towards her colleagues for not supporting her. Exploited as a verb, the act of using someone or something unfairly for your own advantage. Use, leverage, manipulate, abuse, ignore, neglect, misuse, misapply. The Bronze Age saw exploitation of gold deposits. Reconciling is a verb, restore friendly relation between. Coordinate, integrate, combine, harmonize. Antonym, disrupt, upset, confuse, disturb. It will become conciled to the new system. Exemplary is an adjective. Prosperity is a noun. Menace is a noun. Infiltration is a noun. Unprecedented adjective. Eliminating adjective. Curbing verb. Affected verb. Stern as an adjective. Confiscated as adjective. Thanks for watching.